What you doing, honey?
Making us, what is it called again? A dribbler or dibbler?
I think it's a dibbler.
Dibbler?
Yeah, but this one's like extra long.
Well, this is so that for when we're not doing the raised beds. I'm gonna make another small one for the raised beds, but this one, there's the point. This one is so that we can stand up and do our holes in the ground without bending over.
That's cool.
Yeah, we're both getting older. I'm older than you, but...
And you're still dealing with the vertigo.
I'm still dealing with the vertigo, so this will make us...
You want to sharpen the point a little bit more?
No, I kind of want it rounded. I don't want it too sharp because I don't want it to go into the ground too hard.
Okay.
But this should work great for making the holes and not having to be on our hands and knees with a small one making the holes.
Yeah.
Gotta work smarter, not harder.
There you go.
Alright guys, me and Amy are about to start our fall garden. We're going to be planting cauliflower, lettuces, broccoli, onions. The onions are going to go over here along with some tomatoes and some more eggplant. And we're going to do some cucumbers along the back where the fence is, and in front of that we're going to do bush beans. We're going to see how we do with some bush beans, and the rest of these are going to be lettuces and cauliflower on these rows. So we'll get right back to you when we start marking these out. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so in the tote, we're going to put our variety of carrots. I have some leftover rainbow, and then we picked up some new ones. Then we got regular carrots, and then this one was... These seeds are kind of old, but I'm going to give them a try anyways. But they were part of a little fundraiser that my daughters did a couple of years ago. So I figured, why not? It ain't going to hurt. Give it a try. So we're going to go ahead and get the carrots planted in this. Alright guys, as you can tell, Donald's got something to lean on. And he's doing pretty good with the vertigo. And we just got done seeding all of our carrots. This is going to be that mixture that we did. And the cool thing is some of these carrots that I picked up are coated in pink, so you can see them. And this coating helps with fungus and from keeping them from rotting. Plus it just makes it easy to see where you're planting.
I'm seeing little bitty worms.
Little bitty worms?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Good.
I'm excited about that. We need that.
So, because the carrots didn't cover the entire area, we are going to put white sweet onion seeds in here. So we're going to put some onions in here. Now, as you know, these are from M.I. Gardener. We got these on sale last year, and I'm going to show you the seeds. Here's the difference. So for people, if you have like issues seeing everything, these seeds, these are not coated, so they would be harder to seed. Or see, I'm sorry. All right, and Donald's gonna go ahead and plant.
start off with 2 per hole.
2 per hole? Yeah, they told us with the carrots you got to put 4 in a hole. And then we can weed it out because we got plenty of space we can put them. So there we go. Alright guys, we got 2 rows of onions in here. We're going to plant the rest of the seeds in the other bed. Alright, go ahead honey. The last couple days he has been begging to do planting and seeding, and so today is actually a nice day in Florida. It's windy. High's supposed to be 88, which is like fall to us since we've been in the 100s. This is just a nice change. How you feeling, honey?
Feeling good. Feeling good. A little dizzy every once in a while, but nothing I can't handle. Alright, Amy is giving a good mist first before we water it down real good.
Well, this thing does come in handy leaning on it, doesn't it?
It sure does. I'm just hoping the sides don't cast too much of a shadow.
I don't think they will, because you got to remember the sun rises this way. So it's going to have plenty of sun all the way until about that tree, because that tree starts to cast a shadow, that oak tree, the neighbors.
There we go. Getting it watered down good.
Yeah, I just didn't want to have the...
You didn't want to wash out the seeds.
Yeah, I didn't want to wash out the seeds. And we put holes on the bottom of this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this does drain. All right. Carrots and onions done. Now we're going to do the raised bed next. Alright guys, we're going to take a small break, but we got the rest of the onions planted here, and then we got tomatoes along the center. We're leaving the front part of this open, so that way if we got overcrowding in the tote, we can take the carrots and the onions here and transplant them to the front of the bed here, so we're leaving some room there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a break. Alright guys, Donald's still doing pretty good with the vertigo, and we are now actually getting to the point where we can put some holes in our black tarp to plant some seeds. How's it going, honey?
Going good. Just going slow, taking my time. I'm getting it.
This wind does not help.
No. Put them out with my gloves.
All right, we got all of this to do and all of these to do, so we'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, here's what we've done. We burnt holes in the long one. It's taken us a couple of 2 days to do this because yesterday was hot, so we had to quit in the middle of the day. But we're going to go ahead and plant cucumbers. We're going to try this again. Cucumbers along the back here. We're going to do some
Kale on this end.
kale, yeah, dinosaur kale, and oh, hold on, I got the seeds here.
Bush beans on the other end.
And bush beans. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get some planting done, get some seeds in the ground now that the weather's starting to cool down a little bit here in Florida. Not by much, but it's getting there. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.